That was funny. I just missed it. Surprise went charging at the big one. He flapped his wings and stomped at her, and she went, "Whoa, never mind." There he is. Chit Chat's looking at them, but he's got more sense than to come up to them, but big one's looking at him. Don't know if you guys eat tadpoles or not, but there's tadpoles in some of these. I keep rain buckets to water the the bromeliads and the orchids. I think they're going after the lizards. There's lizards all over the place here. Uh-oh. And there goes Surprise, starting trouble. And we have standoff. It's funny because I've had conversations with people who see these guys up in the northern states, and they're extremely skittish. And this one's watching me film him. Matter of fact, this morning I tossed a handful of pecans out for them, and the little one, I'm assuming the female, almost came up right to me. I'm like, oh, I don't want you taking these out of my hand. Thank you very much. No. But here you go. Have some pecans. Oh, did you find some bugs in there? Yeah, get those bugs out of my aloe. I think Surprise wants to start trouble. It's just amazing that these guys are so fearless of humans. He's absolutely not worried about me at all. No, you're not at all worried about me. I don't see. What are you looking at? You're looking at something, but I don't know what you're looking at. You guys are so funny. about me at all. He's wise. I was going to take that bucket inside, but if you guys are going to drink out of it, I'll leave it. And here comes Miss Thing. She's about to get chased. Unless these guys have come to a truce. I won't get too close to you if you don't chase me. Maybe, is that what it is? You come up with a truce with surprise? You're quick enough to chase after Tiggs. You guys are so cool. And you're about as bold as brass. My goodness. What's the matter, Chit Chat? What's the matter? Oh, they scaring you? What's the matter, Chitty? Chit Chat. Call him Chit Chat because he chats to me. He likes to chit chat. I'm not sure if he's really actually actively after most of the cats except for Tigger. He's more curious. You just curious? You just hang around because he's hanging around, don't you? Yeah, that's all it is. You're just hanging around. Uh-oh. Here comes trouble. He's wise. Silly girl. What? What's the matter? What's the matter? Come here. Chatty came around to say hi, and as soon as he crossed in front of my ankles, poor Chit Chat, poor little Chit Chat. If you want to grab some more nuts. Uh-oh. Thank you. Silly thing. I brought you some nuts. Would you like some pecans? I'll try and get her back in a minute. She started out when I wanted to get the nuts. That's chopped raw pecans, by the way. And oh, bother, the door didn't close behind me. So now I've got 2 indoor cats I gotta try and get back in. Careful. Uh-oh. Stand off. These 2 are indoor cats, so they haven't had interaction with these guys like the other guys have. Surprise and Tigger are strictly outdoor. Bobu and Chewy, this one's Chewy, are strictly indoor. And they're not stupid. They're like, I don't like the looks of that. Hey, go back after the pecans. And this thing came out from under the van. Give them a couple of minutes, and if I shake the... Ooh. Just shake the treat container, they'll come in. And Bobo is unduly fascinated with these. She's a little hesitant about those big beaks. And Chewy just took off. She said, I don't like the way that one looks, so threatening. Yeah, let me go see if I can't get them back in the house.